There are moments in time when innovation pauses to catch its breath, only to take a giant leap forward. One of those moments arrives each year with the Google Keynote, a global tech event that doesn't just unveil products, but redefines the relationship between humanity and technology. Imagine a digital universe in constant motion, shifting, expanding, and evolving faster than we can grasp. In the eye of that storm is Google, quietly but powerfully shaping the way we live, communicate, search, learn, and connect. The Google Keynote is not just a presentation. It is a pulse check on the future. Held during Google I/O, the company's annual developer conference, the Keynote brings together engineers, developers, creators, and everyday users from across the world to witness what Google has been working on behind the scenes. Each year, anticipation builds, not just because of flashy product demos or futuristic hardware, but because Google's announcements have a way of touching the daily lives of billions of people. Whether it's an improvement to search, an AI-powered update to Gmail, or a new feature in Android, the Keynote reflects Google's ongoing mission to make information more accessible, life more productive, and technology more human. This year's Keynote was especially significant as it centered on the exponential growth and integration of artificial intelligence, particularly the unveiling of Google's advanced Gemini AI. Gemini is not just another chatbot or smart assistant. It is an ecosystem-wide intelligence layer, seamlessly embedded into Google products like Gmail, Google Docs, Photos, Search, and even Android itself. With Gemini, users can generate content, summarize information, analyze images, automate tasks, and even code, all within the familiar environments they already use. It represents a fundamental shift in the user experience, turning passive apps into active collaborators. On the hardware front, Google made waves with its new Pixel lineup, including phones, tablets, and wearables. The Pixel devices continue to set benchmarks with their AI-powered features, like Magic Eraser for photos, real-time voice translation, and adaptive battery optimization. But it's not just about specs and screen sizes. The Pixel experience is about fluid integration between device and service. Google's vertical integration strategy is becoming clearer with each launch, mirroring what Apple has long done, but with a distinct emphasis on open platforms and intelligent software. A major section of the Keynote was also devoted to Android, now stepping into its next evolution with Android 15. Privacy and personalization are at the forefront. Features like private space, AI-generated wallpapers, app hibernation, and context-aware suggestions point toward a version of Android that learns and adapts like never before. The operating system isn't just a tool anymore. It's becoming a living framework that molds itself to the user's lifestyle. Then came Search, Google's crown jewel. For decades, we've typed words into a box and hoped for the best. But Search is transforming into something far more intuitive. Through the Search Generative Experience, SG, and multimodal AI, users can now enter complex, combined queries using text, images, and even video. Imagine pointing your camera at a broken appliance, asking Google how to fix it, and instantly getting an answer. It's not science fiction, it's happening now. And it's all built on years of AI research and real-world data. Yet beyond the AI and the gadgets, what stood out most was Google's commitment to responsibility and inclusion. The Keynote emphasized accessible design, sustainability initiatives, and tools to fight misinformation. Google announced improvements in digital well-being, providing users with more control over their data and screen time. It wasn't just about what Google can do. It was about what it should do. In a world increasingly driven by algorithms and automation, Google used its platform to remind us of the importance of ethics, fairness, and human impact. For developers, the Keynote offered a treasure trove of updates, from Firebase enhancements and Flutter upgrades to new AI APIs and improved integration with Android Studio. Google is investing heavily in tools that make building, deploying, and scaling apps easier than ever. The message was clear. Innovation should be open, collaborative, and within reach for anyone with a vision and a keyboard. Ultimately, the Google Keynote is more than a tech showcase. It's a vision statement. It reveals not just where Google is going, but where we are going as a global digital society. Whether it's through smarter phones, more helpful assistants, or deeper personalization, Google is reshaping the idea of what's possible. The keynote invites us all to participate in that transformation, not as passive users, but as active co-creators of the future. In closing, what the Google Keynote really delivers is hope. Hope that technology can still surprise us, still inspire us, and still serve us in ways that are thoughtful, responsible, and deeply human. So whether you're a coder, a creator, a student, or simply someone curious about the next big thing, the Google Keynote reminds us of one simple truth. The future is not something we wait for. It's something we build. All right, that wraps up our deep dive into Google Keynote. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss our next tutorials. Coming up, we'll explore advanced tips to make your presentations truly stand out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.